Do you look up at the sky and want to know more about what's up there? Well, now is your chance to join the Cincinnati Observatory Center's Future Galileo program. Dean Regas is here, and he's going to start off by telling us, what is this program?
Well, the Future Galileos, this is one of our big exciting programs where you can win a telescope from us. And these are big telescopes. They stand about 5 feet tall. They're about a foot in diameter. And what we want is people educators, teachers, people from community centers, folks that have an audience to apply for this, and they get the telescope. We train you how to use the scope, and then you get to use it with the public.
How many people are able to win a telescope?
This year the competition is for 20 people, and so we're taking applications. You have to kind of give a game plan of how you're going to use the telescope for good, and also you know, who your audience is, how we can reach people in the tri-state that haven't looked through a telescope before.
Now, in order to apply, you also have to attend some classes, right?
Right. We didn't want to just give away the telescopes. We have to train you how to use them so you can go out and find the objects in the sky. Like we have Jupiter up in the sky now, and in the spring we're going to have Saturn. And so it's really about sharing. We want to clone the observatory and get people out there that are passionate about astronomy and share with their audience.
I guess, like you were saying, a teacher, what a perfect example. They have the telescope and they can get students together, and then the students get more interested in it. Yeah,
exactly. This is we got a grant for this from NASA, so this is a national recognized program, and it's our third year. In the first 2 years we gave away 60 telescopes, so there's already 60 Galileos out there that are fully trained and giving programs in the community. And so we have 20 this year and then 20 next year. So we have another couple years in the program. There'll be 100 telescopes in the tri-state. So we're going to be calling ourselves Telescope Town. That's our idea.
Now, anything in particular about where we live that makes it maybe harder or easier to see certain things in the sky?
Well, being in the city is a little bit tougher because of all the light pollution, but these telescopes are good enough that you can see the bright things like the craters on the moon, Jupiter and its moons, the rings of Saturn, the big stuff, the wow things. And what we found is most people in the city still haven't looked through a telescope. We still want them to come over to the observatory, of course, but if you can't make it out there, then these telescopes can come to you.
And like you were saying, most people have not looked through a telescope who live around here. Why not? Is it because they just haven't taken the step to go over there and have the chance to do it?
It's a rare treat to actually get your eye up to the telescope, and the observatory, we started an outreach program about 10 years ago, and so that's my main job, is trying to spread the word and being the solar system ambassador, if you will.
Okay, so if someone is interested, you were saying 16 or older, right?
Right, yeah, if you're 16 and up, so even high school students can apply. In fact, we've had a lot of great success with the high school students that won in previous years. They're like our most passionate enthusiasts for it. But yeah, if you're 16 and up, you can apply. We have our rules and application on our website, cincinnatiobservatory.org. Just look up Future Galileos. That's the name of the program.
Okay, and you'll be able to get to that website by going to our website, WCPO.com, and we'll have a link to your website. And I was just on there. It's right on the front page. You can see it right there, all the information. So thanks so much for joining us.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
A neat opportunity for some people.